Good day, everyone. It is Friday the 9th. Yes, it is. I think I got it right, y'all. So yeah, my plans for today, it's already early, so I have done well, first of all, we're going to say thank you, Father, for waking us up today, all of us that are viewing this video, and everybody in the world. Hope you had another day of life. Okay, we're going to do that first because we're going to set the atmosphere. We want all things good and that are positive to come to us. Okay, keep everything that is not for us away from us. Show us your will that you will have for our lives, not what we want, but that you will want us to have and to partake in. Center us around, all that good stuff. Keep us away from the virus. Just bring us nothing but good. Everything that you bring us is good. We're going to say that. In Jesus' name, the Father name, the universe, or whatever y'all want to say, amen. That's what we're going to do first. We'll thank him first for another day. So like I was saying, I've already been up. I already did my work. I had to take my daughter to work. That's just life, okay? I'm blessed to be able to do that. First of all, I will say, I done got a. Y'all know they don't. Oil change places are not open anymore because of this stuff going on, which I do understand because nobody has time for that. So I went to the parts store, guys. Ooh, wait, look, I got my oil change kit that I need. Mark is going to put it on for me. Thank God that I am blessed to have a husband that knows how to work on cars. So thank God for that. So that probably will get done probably tomorrow morning or something. And what else? I'm on my way to Ollie's, y'all, right now because I noticed that my Bird of Paradise plant does not have a pot. It's inside of a basket, but it is inside the nursery pot that I bought the plant in. So I'm going to go to Ollie's, go pick up that. I hope that white pot is there, and I don't remember the price that I showed y'all on one of those videos. I hope it's no more than $20. I know I need a large one because that pot is large. And then y'all, we'll go over when I repot it. I'll bring you guys along. But yeah, guys, look what I did to my hair. Can y'all see? Now I'm driving, so I don't know what y'all can see. But yeah, I just twisted my hair up because in the last video, my hair was in that big old afro. I don't know what to do with it, but I don't want to cut it. So yeah. So that's what we're going to do. So guys, I hope you all are having an amazing start to your day, to your afternoon, then come evening, and then the next day, and so on and so on and so on. Let's just be thankful. Let's just be thankful and have so much faith that it just overpowers negativity, y'all. Okay? Let's do that. So guys, I'll take you to Ollie's when I go in there because I want to make sure that they have it. Even if they don't, I'll show you what they have and I'll show you what I pick. All right? I did find one, so it's the white one, but it has cracks in it. And they told me to go to the manager and he'll take something off. So for $20, I'll see if we can go lower. But here it is. Here is the, we'll focus. Here's the crack here, but it don't have no drainage hole. And it's like a crack right there. So we'll see and give it a shot. All right, guys, I am back, and I'm just going to show y'all really quick the, oh gosh, the plant pot situation here. So anyway, and I'm getting ready to go, y'all. It is snowing here. Can y'all believe that? What today, the 9th? It is snowing, y'all. May 9th. It's snow. But anyway, while I was there, I did pick up another oil while I got a chance. So I got me another Exotics. Which one is this? The Unwind. It's a host of a lot of fragrances like lavender, orange peel. There's a host of other ones. So I picked up this one, and you guys remember last time it was $2.99. So I got that Exotics, and I got a blessing, guys. I spent $17.98. They gave me the pot. They took 25% off. So I will show you guys. It took 25% off of that pot. It was $20. So they gave it to me for $14.99, which is not bad. So y'all how humongous this is. So let me see something. Hold on, y'all, because I'm trying to see if y'all can see. Okay, you guys can see the pot. So let me pick it up, and You guys see the pot on the floor? Do y'all see how much bigger it is from the pot on the floor to that one? I was kind of like thinking maybe put this Dracaena um, in here, and it probably will get bigger, and put the bird of paradise in here. I'm not sure right now, but I do know I need to get another bag of dirt. Not a big bag like before, but just another bag, because the bird of paradise is rather has a lot of dirt in it. But anyway, guys, this thing is so freaking big. Can y'all see that? This sucker is big, and it has like this ridge on here. I'm thinking I can buy a stand for this, but I do have that gold stand upstairs that the bird of paradise is already in anyway. So yeah, this is just how big it is. I just wanted to show you guys how big the two. See the size of the two? So yeah, guys, I'm going to let you guys go because I have to go back out. It's around 4:30 and I have things to do. And if you didn't see my hair, that's what the hair is looking like right here. Um, just pulled it behind the ears a little bit. Nothing too fancy, just hair, guys, just hair. So guys, I will see y'all in another video next time around, all right? Bye. Guys, I'm back. And I decided to cook something. Because remember in the last video, y'all, who said they're not going to eat none of my food no more? We're going to see about that. So guys, I put together, if you can see, let me bring y'all closer. I got some baked beans. Well, they're Great Northern beans, but I added barbecue sauce. Look at that. Oh, Lord have mercy. Barbecue sauce to it and hot sauce. And I got 2 chickenless patties here that are like warming up. And then I'm going to saute this corn with some pepper and yeah, basically with some pepper and a little bit of butter. And I probably put a little maybe some sweetener on it just to give it a little kick. And I will bring y'all back to see, yeah, who not gonna eat no food. Because if y'all remember the last video, Mark said he's not gonna eat no more of his wife's cooking, right? We know that was a lie. So look here. Okay, I put the pepper on there. I'm gonna put a little bit of y'all go out and check the other channel, Simply Black Vegan, for all you newbies. I got a whole lot of new subscribers. So this is not the channel, you know, cooking channel like that, but sometime I'll bring you guys along or what I'm gonna cook, you know, like during the week or whatnot. So I don't think it's a bad thing. I think it's all right. Let me know in the comments. Do y'all like that? Do y'all like it, you know, versatile? Do y'all like it when I do it on that channel? I think I need to do some live cooking on the other channel. That's what we need to do. So y'all gonna have that coming. So I just wanted to show you guys, wrong eye. Just wanted to show you guys what I was up to since I've been back. And guys, I was telling y'all it was snowing outside and it's not snowing anymore, but OMG, I was like, what is going on? Like, what is going on in this place or in this, well, we know what's going on in the world, but I'm just saying, it's just a little strange a little bit. I don't remember May, but April, I remember snowing. Yeah, so guys, I will see y'all when hubby come home. We're going to see, what do you think about that girl's cooking? Okay? All right, y'all.
So far, so good.
Okay.
Good, right?
How's the beans?
I ain't tasting yet.
Oh. Oh, you know what? I should have got some spoon. Want some spoon?
It would be
Want a
nice.
spoon?
It would be nice.
I forgot.
I could have got it though. On your feet,
Say what?
slaving all day.
Who?
You.
Was I on my feet slaving all day?
You been on your feet slaving all day.
I ain't gonna say slaving all day, but I've been on my feet.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
We gonna say slaving? Hmm?
Say that again. It's too hot. You see the smoke coming from it? Or it hit something?
What is that?
You don't like it?
What is that? Sparkly water or
lemon
something?
juice, the sparkle that LaCroix, and orange juice. You gotta do like this though. Here, toast, come on. What we toasting to?
Better life. Better choices.
Amen. I hope that's true. So, I thought you said you wasn't gonna eat my food no more.
Why can't you stop not eating your food? I love your food. I love
Like,
your food.
do you like all my food?
Not when it's hot.
You don't like my hot food? You don't like my hot food?
No.
You don't like my hot food?
Put that stuff in here. You put that stuff in here.
In there? No, I ain't put nothing in
So
there.
what you looking down there for?
You don't like my hot food? Hmm? You don't like my hot food? She hot too. That's a no.
No bullshit.
No, I said you don't like my hot food. Like my hot food. You don't like my hot food.
No, I don't like no hot food.
Okay. Mm. But I like how you made that disclaimer that you weren't gonna eat my food no more. You said period, point blank.
Yeah.
Hey y'all. Caught him. Y'all caught him.
I ain't checking.
He didn't even know it was
I
on.
gotta eat. I don't care. I gotta eat. But if I fry it and taste it and it's hot, it's gotta be careful what I eat. That's all.
Now I'm gonna say goodnight until next time, because I'm gonna show y'all. My husband is out. Okay? Let's take a look. Out like a light. So we'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace and love.